I think that's like sort of works better for me. The more stuff I have going on, the more I have to be organised. So I use things like Notion to just keep track of everything that I've got going on. And I just do myself a little to-do list every day. So I sort of try and do like 50 past med questions in a day. And then the next day I might do like 50 Anki questions on like the past med stuff that I didn't understand.
Right.
And if you just set yourself like little goals, like little and often is really needed for third year. You can kind of get away with cramming more so in like first and second year. But because you're learning block, so say I'm on block B, like I've learned all of block B now, and then I won't touch it again until before the exams. So you kind of have to make sure that as you go along, you do actually really understand everything. Otherwise, you'll be too overwhelmed by the time it comes to the exam season because you've got 2 blocks worth of content to learn.
Right, and it's just so much. You really do have to stay on
a
top of it. I think also the realization that you're actually not coming back to those, to gastro and cardio and all those different subjects until you're, in your foundation years. You're not going to revisit that during medical school very much. It really hits home, like the importance of staying on top of that material and making sure you know the management and things like that.